me catch them. Me guno. I will nullify the party. Me we are na makankwasi for some kote from Fambra. Me guno. Me mamu 2 years. Me gu party no. Hey, the next election, some close 25%. I mean, me gu me platform no. Me gu party no. We will use truth. You be gu party no. Me gu no. Yes. Me somebody abo pa amuka sa my hand time. I don't care. Me gu no. Sa party we demonic. Enya party adi chichiri kuro. Omo mu di animo ye nkwasiafo omo nim nyansa. So me and my team, I will shut this party down. Yes. Me party we meaning baby and born you share. I know where it is, mobile. I know where the bile is. Obviously Kevin me didn't catch them some magic power for Ashanti region. I entered the Ashanti region and I took that power. Radio stations in media houses all Ghana, me and I'm declaring results first. And I'm telling you, 2028, me good party way, and we will help build a different party. Me guno. Agronian tokwaniye, me di amamo, doye bemano, ometuntia. I will nullify this party. More than 38%. Me see the next election, more than 25%. I'm telling you. The next election, more than 25%. And you are never going to cross 30% again. Jimmy.
If you be Ghana, say now shut up over there. You can't talk about Ghana. Now who tax in Ghana? Now who sika price? Who sika say? Busa prof no me ade omu school fees ya kese broche Ghana businesses near there. Go announce them tax income tax ba. You cut 20% of your salary income tax boom. Who question why here? Who question here? But you have the audacity, the impudence, the effrontery to tell Obi say don't talk about Ghana. Obi say don't talk about Mahama. Don't talk about what about them? Oh yeah, and I want to be you. Oh, go see can you get Ghana? Ghana, Obenya toilet rosika. Ghana benya toilet rosika. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry has the right to speak about Ghana. On tiasia transform man or kole lagun or pono or brakemakra. Ubet me abetom no ashi shepo. Ubet me abetom no ashepo. Until they are strategic things, say the NBC can. These are critical issues that they must focus on.
And I'm ready for war. But there's one thing I want to tell Kwame Afrifa. I will take something precious from you. Listen to me. I will take something precious from you. And that thing I'll take from you, you will never be happy again. Kwame Afrifa, I'm saying this on my show. Obe sansu, obe nom, untumi mene. The person chill be we say, and you understand what life is. Obe frau yire, se on sansu ma no, untumi tell minimum. All along, I saw you as my kid brother. Every time I went to I saw you like my kid brother. I mean, you are ketwa. So I didn't really want to react to you because Minya Odimichi only age pet. Yeah, Minya Odimichi only age pet. And I saw you every time as my kid brother. Kwame Afrifa.
Really?
And even I wasn't responding to you. You were a child, but you are bitten more than you can chew. You have incriminated yourself. You are a criminal. You think you can blackmail people. Me say, I've opened the doors. I am ready for war. And then the Lamekachenko for say, when I hear somebody mention my name, hence now I'm responding. I have a reason, and I have time for every single thing I do.
Ebusia said the Muhammad Sugusuno. Kevin Kwaubedu Taylor, I emotional. Asemna shin a run a conisikin Okatakyire Afrifa amania ma wura no Kevin talent me control ne ho obabonten
etimi nya akoko duro abetena internet ne so say I will take something precious from Kwame Afrifa. Kevin Taylor so atemidi we eya. So now that you feel the pains, you know, also on the maintenance. Enti Ghana for mumu nsem fama wotumfuo. Ye na wotumfuo pemso. Ghana for mumu nsem papa na. That is why I'm always defending him no. Why ya dear papa na endure pain ankasa. Wo hwe nipa edi papa yatem enkwada wo afifie atrotro wo mabusuafo hi kyerese wo hwe nipa afufu afun including Kwasi Taylor timi di papa yatem 247 na oma fa wo mu hu adi wankasa imagine a whole otumfo nipa bi ti se otumfo a the whole word adi animunyam edi man Kevin Taylor boy tinani page so timi bie na no ka se nkonwe egu manhie nyina eye sabio ejanan Kevin Taylor so the way sit here na nsi Okatakyire Afrifa beso si wo so no on the one who tisheshe wo timi ma yeyi Okatakyire Afrifa di efri na dwumem Kevin Taylor nyame be wankasa ne nyame betua wo ka. If you try something, Jimia, say, including spiritual and physical, until your brother and you, including any your body, until you will be bibia, me what take a course one or pemos one and a precope. Until me, Sikaja, a boy a humpine, and no one could dance chain me. Hey, minya semwa me komenshia because me defend dementia ena menya sem. Kevin Taylor se Okatakyire Afrifa hu gunsu gunkra ana ne busuani ne ba ne yire ne hu bibi gunsu gunkra. Kevin Taylor Kevin abuwa kwa Taylor ye busa wo media me se me yo pem so wona na prekope wo te kokos wona na Kevin Kwasi Taylor me wotim nyamhio osi amanfo bodi bobobo na wunyi ya no wo de wo ka wo plan na wo fa me you don't know wo bia wo friend akwa bi physical and spiritual nyina Kevin Taylor you can't try me se me maka me si akọ mu feduabo eni nku no mu feduabo because we jimi wo di amanfo atabo de wontimi so obi bedi watem bi utimi maye pamu Okatakyire free na dwuma sekana woni se Okatakyire ba be yese yanko am yampamu no enti se ye papa mahama otena ho ama wo Kevin Taylor wodi tumi ahya wonsem ajimi hwe na nsan on se yese ayi obi kan se daughter of a medra wo parliament won mo no mo se monte ase hwe ewi ase yese ni mu antimi wo etete wontoma de wo beguo no enu ana wo betwa ni mona ntimu abetete wontoma no de ye papa jeje wo ye na nene ma no na etwa so aba na wo mu na betwa so aba enti Kevin Taylor boni bia wo bedi bia ka hunu se ye papa mahama ontena akonya no so nkwa wie yo ena wo Kevin Taylor nso so no enya ade a wo ba be di NDC echa kwa ebetomle bi no ebesesa ebetomle bi ade no bedane enti Kevin Taylor to wo wate tie break na wunyi wo bia wunye nyankopon be ma fantasy wo ohunye feka preba woni munye wona nye ohu ba bia anye to wo bu na wunyi wo bia se bas ye mi open fight pamfa ma wo ni Okatakyire Afrifa masa you can't try that brother. What me di wo tumfo atem left right oh the way it is here ja what me di ye can say sa akodi atem sa brother nso kan wo bro onye ni panche wo bia wo ja no you will take it either you like it or not you will take it Kevin Kwasi Taylor obetiki either you like it or not Okatakyire Afrifa wonso ntimi nya ni foko oye wote kokko so wonana ye mu bi mu se mu try ne ha na mu aka vintera besoma mu se mu nkodi bone no se mu kokodi ya ohu nyame tuye betuam ko betuam ka tuam nkiri manyina ka na ka vintela no so bia kana ka ne nkiri ma se wanje chimi no a abusia share video no na nkoto no edi no the lioness ba kope na nse mo nteme nka busy sa me da mo si bibire be se hia wai